still worried about compatible, upgrading, cost, and supply risks of the others. Micromagic officially launches the U4930 high-precision MEMS IMU module, targeting applications such as industrial drones, high-precision navigation, autonomous driving, and mobile mapping. Its core design is clear, while maintaining a similar form factor and electrical interface to the HG4930. It achieves more competitive performance. It is easier to directly adapt to existing system space and power supply architectures. The U4930 integrates a high-performance 3-axis MEMS gyroscope and accelerometer, and achieves full temperature compensation through algorithms, meeting more stringent attitude measurement requirements. It also supports data output up to 2000 Hz and features vibration and shock-resistant design, maintaining real-time reliability even in highly dynamic and complex environments. Communication uses an RS-422 differential interface, supports custom protocol configuration on the host computer, and can interface with GPS GNSS time data and PPS synchronization, allowing for smoother migration of existing data processing and navigation algorithms. The U4930 also provides 3 accuracy levels, ABC, covering applications from scientific research to industrial use.